Hello, welcome to this maths problem as we try to solve it together. So we have 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x is equals to 150. So we are asked to find the value of x. So let's start with the solution. So on the solution now, so let's write the maths problem. 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x is equals to 150. So the first thing that you need to do, we shall have to factorize the 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x. So we can still write it this way, 5 to the power of x into bracket 1 plus 1, close the bracket, is equals to 150. So from here, we work out the number inside the bracket. So 1 plus 1 is 2, close the bracket, is equals to 150. So we want to remain with the 5 to the power of x on this end. So meaning that we shall be forced to divide both sides by 2. So that 2 by 2 cancel. So now from there, now we shall remain with 5 to the power of x is equals to, so 2 here once, 2 into 150, 75. So is equals to 75. Now, so it is difficult for us to change the 5, that is 5 is a base, to 75. Now, we shall now bring the logarithm. And now, we say now, so we shall have now the log of 5 to the power of x is equals to the log of 75. So, from there now, we can, the log of 5 to the power of x can also be written as x log 5 is equals to log 75. So from there now, we can remain with x on this side by dividing both sides by the log of 5. So this side also by the log of 5. So the log of 5 and the log of 5 shall cancel. Now our x now will be equals to the log of 75 all over the log of 5. So we can not stop there, we can still proceed, and we simplify the log of 75 by now saying now x is equals to the log of 75 can also be written as 5 multiplied by 15 all over the log of 5. So we can proceed and say now that x is equals to, so we split them and say now we shall have the log of 5 all over the log of 5 again, this other one. Then the sign for multiplication shall change to addition, the log of 15 all over the log of 5. Okay, so from there now we say that, so now x is equals to, so the log 5 and the log 5 shall cancel, so we shall remain with 1 plus the log of 15 all over the log of 5. So we can still simplify the log of 15 by now saying that x is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 15 can also be written as the log of, so it can also be written as the log into the bracket 5 multiplied by 3 all over the log of 5. So we proceed and say that now x is equals to 1 plus, so we split them, so the log of 5 all over the log of 5, then now the sign shall change to addition, so plus the log of 3 all over the log of 5. So as usual now we shall now say that x is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 5 and the log of 5 shall cancel, plus 1, then again plus, so we shall now have the log of 3 all over the log of 5. Okay, so as usual we all know that, so we all know that log a all over the log of b, this one shall be equals to the log of a to base b. So we shall now apply this on this other end. So now we shall now have x is equals to 1 plus 1 plus the log of 3 to the base of to the base of 5. So we can simplify this end and say now that x is equals to 1 plus 1 is 2. So we shall have 2 plus the log of 3 to base 5. So now this one now shall be our value for x. So now I want us to confirm or check if it is indeed true. So let's check this. So let's now check and confirm it. So our equation was 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x is equals to 150. So, and the x that you've got into this is this one. So instead of writing x, write 2 plus the log of 3 base 5. So now we shall have 5. So to the power of 2 plus the log of 3 to base 5, then plus again 5 to the log of 2 plus 5 to the power of 2 plus the log of 3 to the log of 3 to base 5 should give us 150. So now this one now shall now say that, so 5 to the power of 2 is 5 times 5, that is 25. So the sign for addition shall change to multiplication. Then this and this shall cancel. So now we shall have 3. Then plus here we shall have 5 to the power of 2, which is 25. So this one now is equals to 25. So now 25, this and this shall cancel. Multiply by 3 should give us 150. So here now 25 times 3 is now 75. Now we shall have 75 here. So plus, so 25 times 3. Remember that 5 to the power of 2 was equivalent to this. So 25 times 3 now is 75 is equals to 150. Now, so from there, 75 plus 75 is 150, which is equals to 150. So meaning that our answer is correct. So it is correct now when we say that x now is equals to 2 plus the log of 3 to the base of 5. So this one is our correct answer, and still we have proved it that it is indeed the correct answer. So I want us to stop there, and if you found this video interesting, please remember to subscribe. If you have not, please like the video so that it can reach to the majority of people. So as usual, I was your host, Teacher John. Let's stop there and see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.